Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. If you're like me and love to travel, and especially overseas, then you know the importance of carrying with you as little as possible. Because of that, I like to keep my wallet and my passport all simple and in the same place. And that's why this ACDream passport, wallet, and vaccine card holder is such a great new product for me. I love that it is everything in one little package. It's also really pretty. I like the rose gold, beautiful shimmery pink look of it. It's lightweight. It has RFID scanning blocker technology in it, so which means that when people try and steal your identity and scan your chips on your passport and credit cards, they cannot. So this protects you from that while you're traveling as well. So here you can see it has a pocket for your vaccination card. It has a pin, which you always, that always comes in handy, having a pin with you. And then it has the pocket for your passport. And on the other side, it has this large pocket for your airline ticket, which is really thoughtful. And then these three pockets for credit cards and your ID. And these little pockets, if you're wondering what those are, they're for SIM cards. When you're traveling overseas, a lot of times you can change your SIM card so that you can use your phone in another country. So they just thought of everything with this little passport and vaccination card holder wallet. It is everything you need while traveling in a pretty lightweight, protective case. But that's just my point of view.